Now let's actually get into some of the other I want to talk about competitiveness before we get into that. So, if you're looking for a really competitive specialty in terms of internal medicine, cardiology is very competitive. GI is very competitive. Pulmonary critical care and also HEMONC is very competitive because, well, there's two reasons. First of all, obviously they have a higher compensatory in terms of salary, but it's just a very, you could say, specialized field that many residents want to get into. So that's why it's very competitive. And now, in terms of non-competitiveness, I would say geriatrics, endocrinology, and infectious disease. Those are the least competitive specialties. So